You've been doing dips for months. You show up, you're at weight, you're getting stronger. But when you look in the mirror, your chest still doesn't have that full, thick look from top to bottom. Something's missing. Here's what nobody tells you. You've been doing a chest exercise that doesn't actually train your chest. There's dips you're grinding out every week. They're building your triceps, like your chest. And the fix is three small changes most people never figure out. Think about it like this. Your chest has one job. It pulls your upper arm across your body. That's it. But when you do dips with your body completely upright and your elbows tucked into your sides, your chest barely moves. Your triceps take over the entire movement. You're essentially doing a bodyweight tricep pushdown and wondering why your chest won't grow. That's the whole problem. The difference between a tricep dip and a chest dip comes down to three cheat codes, and you can apply all three in your next workout. Cheat code number one, and this is the one that changes everything. You need to lean forward, not a little, about 30 degrees. When you lean forward, your chest moves into its strongest line of pull. Instead of pressing straight down with your triceps, your chest is now pulling your arms from in front of you to behind you, which is exactly what it's built to do. It's you. Look at the floor about 2 feet in front of you. Not straight down, not at your knees. Its head position naturally tilts your torso forward into the chest-dominant angle. If you change nothing else, change this. It instantly switches the exercise from triceps to chest. G-code number two, you're keeping your elbows too tight. When your elbows scrape your sides doing dips, you're isolating your triceps. But when you let them flare out about 45 degrees on your body, your chest has to do the work. But here's the important part. You need enough width to do this safely. If your dip bars are too narrow, you can't flare without hurting your shoulders. Use a shoulder width grip or slightly wider. That gives your chest room to actuate without jamming your joints. Wider grip, flared elbows, your chest is now the primary mover. Cheat code number three, and this one is counterintuitive. Most people either do half reps, never going deep enough, or they lock out completely at the top with straight arms. Both kill your chest gains. Here's why. Your chest does its best work in the stretch position, the bottom of the dip. When you go deep, with your shoulders below your elbows, your chest fibers are under maximum tension. But at the very top, when your arms are straight, the tension shifts off your chest and onto your joints. The fix? Go as deep as your shoulder mobility allows. Chest close to your hands. Then drive up to about 9% lockout. Stop just before your arms go completely straight. Keep the tension on your chest the entire set. Deep stretch, no lockout, every rep actually counts. That's it. We have the forward lean, flared elbows, and deep with no lockout. 3 cheat codes that turn your dips from a tricep exercise into the best chest builder you're not using. No extra gym time, no new equipment, just a completely different result. Drop a comment right now. Which of these 3 mistakes have you been making? At Subtractedly Built, every week I break down exactly what works and cut out everything that doesn't. No myths, no gimmicks, just results. See you in the next one.